All right, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and do a half double crochet stitch next. I got to the end of the row. I have my loop right here. What we're going to do to start the next row is we will go ahead and do a single chain. That just makes it easier for us to insert in the last stitch that we did, which is right here. Let's see, here we go, right here. And for the half double crochet, before we insert the hook into that loop, we will go ahead and yarn over. So we're going to yarn over, insert, yarn over, and with the last one we pulled through 2. With this one we're going to go ahead and yarn over, pull through 3. I find that this technique is half double crochet is a little bit easier for blankets because you kind of can't get lost in the where you're at in the process compared to say a double crochet, where when you're first starting out it can get easy to get lost in the steps. But we'll go ahead and continue to the end of the row and then talk a little bit more about it. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up 1, yarn over, pull up 3, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up 1, yarn over, pull up 3, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up 1, yarn over, pull up 3, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up 1, yarn over, pull up 3, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up 1, yarn over, pull up 3, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up 1, yarn over, pull up 3, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up 1, yarn over, pull up 3, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up 1, yarn over, pull up 3, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up 1, yarn over, pull up 3, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up 1, yarn over, pull up 3, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up 1, yarn over, pull up 3. And our last one is going to be this guy right here. So that's where after the first row things kind of get a little bit easier. It starts to loosen up a little bit and be a little bit more obvious. So we'll go ahead and yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up 1, yarn over, pull up 3. And as we can see here, we are at the end of our row. A little bit stretchier. It does have crochet kind of makes a little bit of a wobble as you're working. So one row will be more pronounced this way, and this way we can see it's almost, the last row almost has a bit of a valley. As the project gets larger, it will be less noticeable. Don't stress about it. It's just the look of the project. We can also see that there is a little bit of a bowing down at the center. That also happens. Sometimes you can fix it just with basic stretching, depending on your technique. Otherwise, at the end of your project, it can be fixed with blocking. So blocking would be where essentially you pin down everything and wet down the yarn. So the yarn fibers kind of relax and puff up and space out a little bit more. And then once you pin it down, they will get a memory for their new shape. It's almost like if you are working with paper and it accidentally gets wet, if you press it down on or between a couple of books or something like that, you can make it or you can avoid the wibbling and wobbling of it. So similar process. All right, in the next video I'll go ahead and show you a double crochet stitch.